Hey guys, how's it going? It's X666X Iron Maiden, and if you guys really enjoyed doing Ambush the other day, you guys should love this one too. This is Air Raid, Hold the Flame. Alrighty guys, so we did, Judas Priest not too long ago, and they brought back like almost like a British Steel Defenders of Faith sound to their new single that just came out, which was fucking sweet. Then out of nowhere, I got on the list, I got up to the band Ambush with their song Natural Born Killers, which kind of kept that 80s heavy metal sound too. And now just, by luck, this was also recorded about the same time. This is going to be Air Raid, Hold the Flame, which is supposed to be some more old school metal as well. So let's jump in and check it out. All right. Nice touch. Fuck, it's good to finally see some newer bands that are still doing that 80s sound. It's weird, for some reason this main riff reminds me of Annihilator, and I can't explain why. It must just be the tone and that little touch where he does that, like he just did there. Reminds me of little things you'd hear from Annihilator. That's it though. Yeah, I think it's just the guitar tone is similar. Fire Raid, Hold the Flame. Fucking sweet song. Fuck. These guys, right off the bat, they have so much influence from like all the music from the past. You can hear stuff from thrash metal mixed in there with straight up heavy metal, like Judas Priest-esque heavy metal, and stuff from even neoclassical was mixed in there. I found out in their solos, and some of their little like fill-in parts are super neoclassical vibey to them anyway. I don't know if that was their intention or not, but that's what it came off as to me anyway, which is really cool. It's cool having this 80s heavy metal style doing it nowadays, because you've seen everything that came out in the 80s, and you can kind of pick up on like all of them and put them together in your style and mix it up a bit, which is cool, because it makes it I don't want to say like refreshing. Well, maybe refreshing is the best word. It's kind of refreshing because you can mix in a bunch of sounds all in the same one, because it hasn't really been done as much. Mixing all those sounds together, like the neoclassical with brash, with all that different stuff, and it's cool to hear it. At least not in my opinion anyway. I haven't heard a lot of bands that mix a whole bunch of 80s styles like that together too often that weren't from that era. So they did a really great job. Great vocalists, the whole band was great, and they pulled off that 80s sound perfect, kind of like Ambush did the other day. Both bands are perfect at pulling off that 80s heavy metal sound, and I'm really enjoying them, and I want to check them both out more, because that's definitely that style of metal has a place in my heart for sure. It's fucking sweet. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it too. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to catch more from me, and as always, you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you later.